In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to stop Apple Music from playing automatically when you're connected to Bluetooth. So be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Usually when you're connected to Bluetooth, your Apple Music will start playing automatically on whatever device you're playing on Bluetooth, for example, in your car. Now, the most efficient way to do this is to just turn off your Bluetooth right here. But sometimes if you want your Bluetooth actually on, but you don't want to have your music play automatically if you want to take calls in your car, you can actually use your car settings so that music does not play, depending on which car you have. Now, the other option that you can use is to actually delete the app. Now, as you can see, mine is already deleted, but you can actually click on delete app and it will delete it from your iPhone and it won't play automatically. The only downside to that option is that you won't be able to use Apple Music anymore, but you can use different apps like Spotify that won't play automatically. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.